Most projects don't fail because of poor planning. They fail because leadership is missing when it matters most. Welcome to Andro Indian. I'm here to talk about the #1 skill for project success. We've all been there. Missed deadlines, confusing requirements, and a feeling that no one is truly in charge. This chaos isn't just frustrating, it's expensive. Projects bring together diverse teams, external vendors, and stakeholders, often with different goals and no shared working history. Managing this complexity is a massive challenge. Without strong leadership, this complexity quickly turns into confusion, misalignment, and costly delays that can derail even the best-laid plans. This is where accountable leadership becomes the defining factor between success and failure. It is the glue that holds the project together. But what does accountability really mean? In a project environment, it's far more than just checking off tasks on a list. It's about a mindset of ownership. It's about owning the outcomes, the good, the bad, and the unexpected. An accountable leader is the bridge between a strategic plan and a tangible result. As project leaders at Andro Indian, our job is to ensure every action aligns with the overarching strategic goals of the organization. We don't just execute, we align. This requires a robust governance framework. Accountability must be embedded in every phase, from initiation to closing, ensuring everyone knows their role and its impact. Whether you're working on a work breakdown structure or managing a complex value delivery system, accountability ensures that every deliverable meets the highest standards. Leading with purpose means being the steady hand. During the execution phase, when pressures are highest, your team looks to you for that stability. Monitoring and controlling isn't just about watching numbers. It's about proactively addressing environmental factors and organizational assets that impact your team's performance. Value engineering requires a leader who isn't afraid to pivot. We must always be looking for ways to maximize the project's impact and the value delivered to stakeholders. But remember, accountability is human. At its core, it's about building trust. Trust with your stakeholders, trust with your peers, and most importantly, trust with your team. It requires holistic thinking. We must understand how one small change in a task affects the entire product life cycle and the long-term success of the business. In today's world, accountability also means ESG integration. We have a responsibility to ensure our projects are sustainable, ethical, and socially responsible. In agile environments, the accountable leader empowers the team. You provide the vision and the support, letting the experts self-organize to reach the goal. And as AI transforms project management, your role as a human leader becomes even more vital. AI can optimize schedules, but only a human can be truly accountable. To lead is to be accountable. Start today by taking ownership of the results, not just the tasks. The future of project management is in your hands. For more insights on professional excellence, visit androindian.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Stay curious.